This video is brought to you by GaryNorth.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show your tweets in real time on your custom toolbar. Make sure you're logged in at Alexa.com and have selected the toolbar you want to add this feature to. Find the Show Tweets in your toolbar icon under Add Social Networking buttons. Click on the green Add button icon. Enter your Twitter name. I would recommend leaving the default icon, though you can change it by clicking the down arrow next to the default icon and choosing Custom Icon and selecting an icon to use from your computer. Type in the hover description box what you want to display when the user's cursor hovers over the tweet. Then click OK. You have successfully set up your custom toolbar to display your latest tweets. Please view other videos in this series, How to Create a Custom Toolbar.